exploring China's Great Wall. The Great Wall of China, a bastion of stone, earth, and history, winds elegantly over China's vast and varied landscape, telling a story as old as civilization. From its ancient origins, conceived by the minds of rulers who sought to protect and define their realm, to its role as a modern symbol of unity and endurance, the Great Wall is far more than a mere relic of the past. History and construction of the Great Wall. Journey along the Great Wall, uncovering secrets set in stone, the allure of the Great Wall of China. It's more than just a colossal dragon of stone stretching across lush mountains and deserts. It is a tapestry of stories, a testament to human will, and a playground for the adventurous spirit. For those bitten by the wanderlust bug, the Great Wall whispers secrets hidden for centuries, promising a journey like no other. Embarking on the adventure. Every brick in the Great Wall holds echoes of history. To set foot on this ancient structure is to walk side by side with the past. This magnificent wonder isn't just a stoic guardian of China. It's a passageway for those yearning to understand the essence of exploration. Can you imagine the sunrises and sunsets viewed from atop its ramparts? They are sights that lock themselves into the heart, a traveler's treasure. Discovering the less-traveled paths, the Great Wall is a snake that winds through 13,000 miles of China's terrain. And as a seasoned traveler knows, the road less taken promises the richest experiences. Venture beyond the famous tourist spots like Badaling and Mutianyu. Seek out the wilder sections, such as Jinshanling, where the wall reveals its untamed beauty. Here, the courageous are rewarded with silence and a raw, untouched world where nature and history hold hands. Witnessing the watchtower's whispers. With every step toward a watchtower, feel the pulsing stories of vigilant and steadfast soldiers who once looked out across vast lands. The walls speak of the countless footsteps patrolling this structure, a humbling reminder of the resilience of protecting a nation. Embracing local culture. The wall isn't just an isolated relic. It's embraced by the culture of the villages that scatter its length. To truly unlock its mysteries, mingle with the locals, sample their food, hear their tales, and see the crafts passed down through generations. Participate in a slice of life as integral to the travel experience as the destination itself. Making peace with the ruins. Parts of the Great Wall lie in ruins in its aged splendor, telling a story of time's relentless passage. Rather than a sign of neglect, these crumbling stones serve as a poignant reminder to treasure the present. Stand among the relics and feel the weight of ancient and fleeting moments. Final reflections, concluding a day of exploration. Sit atop the Great Wall as twilight paints the sky in hues of pink and oranges. Breathe deeply and let the cool breeze carry the tales of emperors, battles, and the unwavering human spirit. The Great Wall doesn't just exist as a place, but lives on as a feeling, a sense of wonder that rests within the soul. Journey beyond the beaten path. Insider tips to embrace the Great Wall's majesty. You ever stood atop a historic fortress, trailing your gaze over miles of stone that zigzag like a dragon's backbone across lush mountains? Well, that's the thrill you get as you set foot on the Great Wall of China, an ancient marvel that stretches beyond the horizon, inviting adventurers from all walks of life. Before embarking on this epic quest, smart packing is crucial. The essentials are a sturdy pair of shoes, water, sunscreen, and a good camera. These essentials ensure comfort, hydration, protection, and lasting memories in the form of stunning photographs. The Great Wall is vast and varied, with sections like Mutianyu offering a quieter experience with breathtaking views. This well-preserved area, less frequented by the tourist crowds, rewards visitors with serene walks along its long, winding paths. It's a perfect blend of accessibility and tranquility. In contrast to the calm of Mutianyu, the Jiangku section has the wild allure of a siren call. This untouched segment presents an authentic, rugged adventure, a stark contrast to the more manicured parts of the wall. Clambering over unrestored terrain presents a siren call for those who lean into the challenge. The Great Wall's story isn't just in the stones, but also in the hearts of those living in its shadow. Engaging with the friendly locals opens up a treasure chest of anecdotes and insights, adding a rich layer of authenticity to the travel experience. Their stories and hospitality are as much a part of the journey as the walk itself. Now, it's all about timing for the wanderers looking to escape the crowds. Hitting the early hours or waiting for the late afternoon offers a chance to have parts of the Great Wall almost to oneself. This is when the play of light casts a spell over the scenery, making for truly enchanting views. The magic hours of sunrise and sunset transform the skyline into a canvas, with the hues of dawn and dusk kissing the ancient stones. Standing watch as the first or last rays of the sun illuminate the snaking wall is a moment of surreal beauty, not just a sight, but a felt experience. Finally, the Great Wall calls to all. It's a siren song for history enthusiasts who dream of stepping through time, a paradise for hikers who desire to test their limits amidst breathtaking landscapes, and a sanctuary for those seeking moments of serenity atop one of the world's most magnificent constructions. This symbol of cultural heritage transcends simply being a wall. It stands as a testament to human tenacity and a bridge connecting past, present, and future. If you want to learn more, you can check the comments section for the link. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.